We're gonna do an open box on this stump grinder. Let's see what's in it. All the tabs are up to open this. This is how it looks packed up. Gas tank open. Got pneumatic tires. Set it over here. A little bag of miscellaneous stuff. We'll figure out what that is in a minute. Everything's nicely shrink wrapped. Looks like one tire's on. Well, I'll get it on shrink wrap and let you see. Here's with one side open. Tow bar. We got an off-road only tow bar. There's the D handle, what they call. Comes with a key. Here's the motor. No electric start. Here's the chip guard with the axle. 2 bolts. No nut on one of them. A lock washer and 2 washers on each. Maybe the nut's in the box somewhere. Kohler engine. Let's turn it over before we put oil or anything in it so you can see the bottom. See the teeth. They're staggered teeth. Got 2 grease fittings down here. Look like there's no grease in it yet. There's how thick the rubber shielding is. Let's get the wheels on it. See what's next. The tires are on. Just a simple cotter pin. You got your bolt there, which is a 5/8 and 11/16 nut. Got it on both sides. Other tire with cotter pin in it. Doing the handle. It's got an adjustment where to fold up. You have 2 bolts. That's right through the bottom, and 2 bolts from the side. Let's get them tightened up and move on to the next step. There, the handle's in. You got your adjusting folding. Got 1 wire that runs down from the switch up that plugs in. Nice quick disconnect. You got it it's connected. You got an hour meter that is not connected to anything on either side. We'll go over that as soon as we get to it. That's good. Not too heavy. It's manageable. You got your manual choke and your fuel on. I think the worst thing about an engine this size is not having your electric start and not offering one. Has no electric starter on it. You got plenty of room for a battery. It's a 14 horsepower. See what's in the bag that came with it. Your nice engine book. Tells you about the engine. Cheap earmuffs, made in China. Extremely cheap safety glasses. Useless gloves. And an assembly guide. Let's get the tow hitch for off-road on. Show you how that goes in. Plugged in right here. Like that. They give you a screw down. Nothing fancy, but it works for what it is. Got it lined up. And it screws down. We'll get her running on the next video. Put oil in it, get gas in it, and test her out.